Oh man, I guess it's time to get up. Oh man, welcome to Florida. Last round of the South Florida Mini GP. Let's get it. So my last video, I took you guys along for the ride to our Heron compound. This one, take you on a ride with South Florida Mini GP. I raced with these guys a long time ago. I got in late, so the gates are closed, so I'm an outsider. One of the worst things I think I had to deal with last night, unloading, is these Florida bugs. And it's not cold, it's like the beginning of November. But man, there were bugs all over the place. We did some testing at Heron yesterday. Me and the Man in the Box boys. Only a couple of us, unfortunately. A couple of the Man in the Box guys. We did a little riding. So I still did a couple little tweaks on the 85. I'm racing the Z today, so that'll be fun. Bad, it's such a change from this bike. Like, this bike is so light, it's so fast. It's pretty ridiculous at the difference. It's like riding a leader bike versus a 400. That's the best way I can describe like these two bikes. Yes, they're the same, right? They have somewhat of the same style and positioning and things like that, but man, they're a completely different animal. Lower the front end on this bike, give it a little bit better turn in, and kind of help adjust things in those regards, and it's doing a lot better. So it's fast, it's light, it's nimble. We've about got it figured out. Only the finest hardware. Good morning. Bet she's like, why is that young gentleman talking to himself? Lady, I don't know either. I'm insane. Really hate this part about being at the track, is kind of like packing up. But I did find if I do it early, if I do it now, it doesn't suck as bad at the end of the day. I've got a little bit of time until registration, so yeah. If you want to know who's fast on here, just find a kid. All the kids are fast. South Florida, they've really come a long way, but their program just works. They've got a bunch of kids who have gone through the South Florida series, you know, 50s, 110s, Groms, so on and so forth. Now they're racing in the Junior Cup in Moto America. Now they're racing a super sport or a super stock, whatever the 600 class is. They're racing that. Really phenomenal to see the growth and evolution of these kids, man. It's nuts.
Good morning. What's up, my dude?
What's up, brother? And a one, and a two, and if I put it out further, I have the opportunity to win the race. But if I put it closer, the center of gravity is better. I put it on upside down. What an idiot. Oh my God. Why did you guys let me do that? So, I guess at 8, I'll get dressed because I am up shortly thereafter. All right, here is the first heat race of, well, one of one. Heat race and a main race. We're racing this in Super Mini, that in F2. Super Mini, not looking good. None of it's really looking good because all these kids are so fast. I've got a 103 on this, which everyone's saying is respectable, but I'd like a 101 like the fast kids. There's a Junior Cup racer who put in a 59. That's 4 seconds faster than what I'm doing. There's the fast kid who ran a 59. That chick in front of us, she's really fast. Just go out, have fun. Won't be much talking during the race because I have a hard time focusing.
Hey, we'll go on. When he goes off, we go.
Woo! Man, what a race. Those 150Rs are checked out, brother. All right, Motard. I am not last. I'm second to last, which is fine by me because this was a seat time class. I did run, however, my fastest qualifying time in Motard. I'm gonna go out and do about 5 laps because F2 is immediately after this. Racing the Z, and I got a couple friends, DHM, Cameron Joan Racing, a couple buddies in that class. Just gotta look for the last spot. That's all I gotta look for. Whoop. Whoop. That was not half race distance. We'll run it back. What an absolute chaotic event. Holy cow, that guy up front on the KTM just stuffed it, man. About blew turn 1 twice. It's all fun. That's what we enjoy about racing.
11.
Another chaotic start. I'm really looking forward to this one. They can have it. Okay, on into F2. Issue is I got to get this transponder. What fun racing though. A little nervous about it, but I'm not like, I'm kind of holding my own, sort of ish. I just don't have any power, obviously. I don't expect to have any power racing with those guys. So kind of pre-race thoughts. Got a lot of friends here. Yeah, what up? DHM, David Hugh. Whoop. That kid, man, he is. Oh, hello. So as long as there's nothing crazy, we should do okay. He's really fast. These guys are really fast. Good job riding, buddy. That was good, man. Good job.
Hey, man, that was good stuff, man. I tried so hard.
We thought you had him down the head and we're yelling, late apex.
Yeah. Oh, man, I heard him on the side. I said, oh, man.
That was great.
That was fun riding, man. What happened?